Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a waitlist page for product launches in Mixo. Let's get started. First, open the Mixo AI website. Then here in the main prompt box, enter your product name and a short description, like this example prompt here. You can be detailed, specific about your idea. Then, after that, click Next and you can now set your goal. For waitlist page, you can choose collect sign-ups and build an audience or set a link or get contacted and more. The Mixo AI will instantly generate your waitlist page with an email capture form, product highlight, and a clear call to action. Then after generating, you can now review the page, tweak the text or images if needed, then publish it to collecting sign up. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can have a professional waitlist page ready to capture interest before your product launch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.